Do you hate it when you're out and about on a road trip, you forget where you put your towel? Well, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Just hang them over your seat. Let's check out the KickAss Towel Seat Covers. You ripper! How cool is this that you can have a towel and a seat cover all in one, made out of terry toweling? I mean, even Terry himself would be stoked. Let's check it out. Made out of soft, absorbent, terry toweling material, and you don't have to come from the 70s to know how cool that stuff is. They are so easy to install. You just slip them over the head of your seats. But for a more permanent installation, we have these heavy-duty tie-down clips as well. You absolute cracker. Universal fit, so one size fits all. How cool is that? Check out what we've done here. We've got a waterproof backing. That's right, a waterproof towel. How cool is that? Imagine you've just been for a swim, a day on the water at the beach, even Queensland sidewards rain, and you're absolutely soaked. Well, your seats aren't going to get wet and you're going to get nice and dry. You beauty. So they're absolutely fantastic for keeping all the sand, dirt and all that outdoor grime out of your car seats. And when you're done, you can just pull them off, whack them in the washing machine because they're completely machine washable. You absolute perler. Heavy duty and hard wearing, we all know how invincible terry toweling is. And the great thing about these, they look so cool that you can use them to cover up those worn factory car seats. What an absolute beauty. Great for those cars with the hot leather and vinyl seats that have been sitting in the sun all day. You jump in and burn your bum and your thighs. Well, we've taken care of that. These slip-on seat covers are pet-friendly, and even worse, those messy kids, once they're done, chuck them in the wash and Bob's your uncle. And to top it off, they just look bloody cool. Hey, let me show you around the back of the seat covers and you can see how easy they are to install. First off, I've just slipped over the rear of this seat. Check this out. So there's your little loop. So no matter if you've got a big bus or a mini minor, this is going to fit over your headrest. And then as you can see here, check out that awesome waterproof backing. We have our straps. So if you don't want just an instant throw over, we can hook these around the back of the seats. It's fully adjustable to suit. And then you've got your front little hook too, so your seat cover's not going anywhere. And then once you're done, unclip them all, chuck it back in the wash, dry her out, and she's ready for next time. You ripper. Well, there you have it, the KickAss Towel Seat Covers. Head online or head in store today.